Hello everyone. Question is you run the command ipconfig on your laptop and see that you have been assigned an IP address of 169.254.0.56. Which category of IPv4 address is this? Option A public, option B static, option C private, option D API PA. Correct answer is option D. Question is a programmer is writing a script to calculate the disk space needed to perform a daily backup. The programming needs to store the amount of disk space in a temporary placeholder within the program that can be updated and changed during the script's execution. Which of the following would be used to store the value of the disk space needed? Option A loop, option B comment, option C constant, option D variable. Correct answer is option D. Question is you are helping to set up a backup plan for your organization. The current plan states that all of the organization's Linux server must have a daily backup conducted. These backups are then saved to a local NAS device. You have been asked to recommend a method to ensure the backups will work when needed for restoration. Which of the following should you recommend? Option A create an additional copy of the backups in an off-site data center. Option B attempt to restore to a test server from one of the backup files to verify them. Option C frequently restore the server from backup files to test them. Option D set up scripts to automatically re-attempt any failed backup jobs. Correct answer is option B. Question is you are working as a mobile device technician for a large corporation's enterprise service desk. A user complains that every time they attempt to launch the company's mobile email application, it crashes and displays an error message of code 123. Which of the following should you do first to attempt to solve this problem? Option A reinstall the email app. Option B roll back the app to an earlier version. Option C update the smartphone's OS. Option D clear the app's cache. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is you have just completed a repair for a customer's smartphone that took you 3 days. The customer complained that the repair took too long and began to question you about the steps you took to repair the device. What should you do next? Option A become defensive and explain why each step was necessary to repair the device. Option B provide documentation of the repair to the customer and thank them for their patience. Option C listen to the customer's complaint with concern and then post about the encounter on Facebook. Option D clearly tell the customer that if they had been more careful with the device then it wouldn't have needed to be fixed in the first place. Correct answer is option B. Question is Sally was checking her email when she noticed that she has several automated replies from email she doesn't remembering sending. What type of attack was Sally most likely the victim of? Option A phishing, option B phishing, option C spear phishing, option D hijacked email. Correct answer is option D. Question is which of the following is considered a form of regulated data? Option A DRM, option B PII, option C DMCA, option D AUP. Correct answer is option B. Question is a user contacts the help desk and complains they are getting an error when they attempt to open a 4GB.dmg file on their Windows 10 workstation. Which of the following should you tell them? Option A. Your hard drive must not have enough free space. Option B. Your workstation need to have 16 GB of RAM to open the file. Option C. You must be an administrator to open that file. Option D. You need to use Mac OS to open DMG files. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.